It has come to the attention of the leadership of the armed forces that some retired members of the AFP have been posting online some comments that we deem we have to address. First and foremost, those attributed to retired senior officers, that we are a pawn in a power play between the United States and China, brought about by the threats the country is facing. Number two, the AFP has its campaign plan Mulat. Based on feedback from different surveys, awareness and acceptance by the Filipino people is quite high. 87%, if I'm not mistaken. Number three, there are still a few mouthpieces in the Philippines, Filipino mouthpieces, that have been speaking out the discourse or the narrative of the Chinese Communist Party. This is very unbecoming of a Filipino. We have to be very clear that we should understand ano ang pinaglalaban ng inyong AFP. Kung ikaw ay tunay na Pilipino, hindi mo dapat inuulit ang linya ng Partido Komunista ng Pilipinas. Every Filipino must be very aware that the desire of the Chinese Communist Party is to sow malign influence, to be able to shape public perception to their favor. It will not help that there are Filipinos mouthing out the same lines given out by the Chinese Communist Party. The cognitive domain, the minds of the members of the AFP are aware. We need to protect the cognitive domain of the members of the AFP. For the retired, we would like to call on all members who once served in the armed forces, who once wore the uniform with dignity and pride, to be more responsible in their statements.
Sir, is the AFP concerned about this matter na meron ng mga retired AFP officers na tila sumasalungat dun sa gustong iparating na mensahe ng AFP?
Yes, we are taking it with concern. Hence, we are addressing it. The Chief has been very clear on his first State of the Nation address when he mentioned not 1 square inch. That has been the guiding guidance, the guiding principle, the guiding policy that was amplified by the Secretary of National Defense when he mentioned about the comprehensive archipelagic defense concept. The AFP currently has its own campaign plans and its own strategies to be able to implement the guidance of the President and the Secretary of National Defense. So far, there has been no shift in the direction of the policy of the government, although we do not comment on matters of policy. We focus on our strategy. Because as you can see, there are organizational changes in the AFP to make the armed forces more responsive to regional defense operations. That's as far as I will go for now. We will not fight for the interest of another country, nor will we be dictated by them. Standing up for our rights does not mean being subservient to the interest of another country. We won on paper. The 2016 Arbitral Tribunal ruling is more than just a paper victory. We stood up to the Chinese Communist Party. We stood firm for international law, for freedom of navigation, for our sovereignty and sovereign rights. We stood firm for the future of this country and the future generation of Filipinos. On being turned into another Ukraine, these statements are defeatist and alarmist. They send a wrong message, especially to the Filipino people and even to the former men and women of the armed forces who served under these retired senior officers. We expect more from them, more responsible statements that will show the strength of the country and that weaken our resolve as a people. Just because we have our modernization program does not mean we have any intention to fight another country. If I may paraphrase the Commander-in-Chief in the command conference this morning, when he mentioned, and I state, we have no desire to attack anyone. Let me just add to that. On the other hand, your armed forces has every desire to ensure the integrity of the national territory. We have every desire to protect our sovereignty and our sovereign rights. It is a misleading statement to say that we are being turned into another Ukraine. We are not preparing the armed forces for offense. We are preparing the armed forces to defend what is legally and rightfully the Filipinos.